In this session, we will discuss about the perspective mode, where you can set your views to the perspective mode like the one shown here, and the shadow in active shade mode also you can set, and after that we'll look into the material properties. So I will show you how to do this and set it. So for understanding this, from your exercise folder, open this particular file, and once you open this, here you can see you can set your perspective view with your shadows or without shadows, and you can have the real view graphics where you can see this particular shadow will be enhanced and that will be shown, and you can set your perspective or non-perspective mode for visualization. Just like that, for assigning material to your 3D drawing object or a particular surface, how to set this? So couple of different options around this I will explain you. So inside this history manager, you can see you have a display manager. Once you go to display manager, here you can see the typical texture which is assigned to this particular surface. So floor tile is assigned here. So how to customize this and apply to your drawing object, that I will show you. You can go to edit, appearance, and you can go to material, and whatever the material you would like to add, that you can directly add here. So let us say I am interested to have a particular fibers, maybe this. You can see the appearance also here, how it looks like. Maybe you are looking for this fiber, you can see the output here. Non-metallics, you can see all the materials, whatever you would like to apply, that you can see here. Other groups, you can see the DIN specified materials, also you can select from here, or the default SolidWorks metal group for like steel, iron, aluminum, and other material, plastics, that you can also find here. Wood material, you can see. So whatever the material you select, let us say this is the material, and I can go to apply, that will be applied to your material object. But typically if you are interested for this particular phase only, then you can also apply this. So how to do that? So here you can see a particular material group, maybe this I need, or carpet, this I need. So once you select and drag it, when you drop over the surface, it will show you that face or extruded directions or body, or maybe to a feature. So I am selecting here to this face. So once you select this, here you can see that particular material will be assigned to that particular face. Just like that, whenever you apply to a particular face the other material, maybe this, you can drag and drop here, and you can assign this as a face, or as a whole body or object also you can assign. For example, I want to apply this, you can see, to this feature, or maybe a hole or pocket you have, that also you can assign, or directly you can apply to your whole object. So in this way you can assign the particular texture to your 3D model. So typically you will get this particular control that is available here, the color property manager, and once you get the color property manager, here you can edit the appearance and you can assign to your drawing object. Here you can see you have the view manager and view the decal. So whatever the library you have, that you can typically configure and you can see. So directly you can configure and control this property from here, and this is the default library. Edit appearance. Now you can see this particular dialog box will appear, and here you can control even the mapping. So how you would like to map your drawing object, that you can specify here, and you can control this also, how you would like to distribute the maps, that directly you can control from here, and axis and directions also you can specify which directions you would like to have your distribution, and you can give the rotations also, whatever the rotations you need to configure and which type mapping you need to have, that all you can control from here, and you can finally set as per requirement, and that map or the texture will be distributed accordingly. So in this way you can quickly apply your texture map to your surface or to your whole solid as per a requirement. And in our coming session we will be discussing about the applications over different tutorial which we will understand by using this example. Thank you.